in a blue wire. At 8 in the morning, the radio in the living room crackles over the girls and roosters, and then there's a sound like the sound of a shell with your ear in it, and in the middle is the ovular sound of the BBC. It is the news from away. Once in a while, an island is mentioned, once in a blue wire. You hear that you're living elsewhere. The BBC announcer is calling you, telling you the news. Elsewhere is not a bad place at all. It is simply elsewhere. You have heard it described as an island. You have read of islands, such as in The Tempest, described as uninhabited except for monsters and spirits, as in Treasure Island, described as uninhabited except for monsters and spirits. You have heard of pirates and buccaneers on islands. You have read of people banished to islands, prisoners. You have seen the borders of maps of islands, natives, nubiles, and fierce. You are living on an island, banished or uninhabited, or it seems through the voice of the BBC. You are therefore already mythic.